Hi there, I'm Jason P. Perlino. I'm from this Davao City National High School and I'm presenting a topic for you and it is called the basic sentence patterns. And an intransitive verb does not require an object because the verb in itself completes the meaning of the sentence. A sentence with an intransitive verb may be expanded by adding adverbial modifiers. Example: Syra speaks to the victim. Syra is the subject and speaks is the intransitive verb. And here's some from another example. Subject: Jesus. Linking verb is, and noun adjective complement. The Messiah. Noun complement. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching my simple video.